I'm here at the Piaggio Group of Americas booth here at the AIMExpo, and this little cute little thing here is, they call it the Piaggio 1. Basically it's an electric scooter, and it says also that it's equivalent to a 50cc scooter, so it'll go up to 35 miles an hour. And this one has a wrap with the name of Feng Chen Wang. I like the wrap. It looks jade-ish look. But I don't know why 50cc more scooters. Oh yeah. The reason why here in North America 50cc's are popular because you don't need a motorcycle license. They're basically considered like a bicycle at some degree. But on some US states, like here in Nevada, you have to register it once so you can get a tag for theft purposes. Okay, next bike here is the Liberté S by Piaggio. This could work in Manila or Philippines because it has a bigger wheels right there, similar to the Aerox in the Philippines, right? Or the Sniper. But I don't know why they already sell the three-wheel Piaggio models in the Philippines, but not this. So this is the Liberty S. I will put in the screen on how much cc does this one have. But as you guys may know, I like scooters too. I don't bash on scooters like other channels out there. But as you can see, the instrumentation is pretty analog. Very nice. It's a 2022 model. But yeah, and then this flat color is pretty nice too, but it takes some work to wash it. So yeah. And then of course new color for the V85. I did a taste test on this bike a couple of years ago with that spaghetti McDonald's looking color scheme. This one is a little bit more serious looking color, but it's flat color, so it's matte finish, so it has special steps for you to clean a bike like this. But yeah, just check out my taste test of the V85. I still like the bike. It's one of the only shaft-driven middle displacement bikes that you can get out there. Okay, next, back to the scooters. Justin Bieber spec. Oh, okay. It says here. Okay, this looks like a custom color Vespa scooter. It doesn't say which model it is. I'll just put it on the screen of what it is, but oh, it's right here, I think. Oh, it's for the charity edition. Okay, and it has the digital dash already, and then also, even though it has white wall wheels and white wheels too. And I think this is only in the North America. Oh no, this is not only in North America. Oh yeah, this is only the North America looking. Okay, for people outside the United States, in North America, they put usually in the rest of the world this tail light, this sides right here are the turn signals. But here in North America, the turn signals are connected to the flap, just like a regular motorcycle. What the US market tends to do is to increase the visibility at the back and everything, yada yada yada. For people, for the rest of the world, they want to convert into this version, hey, no problem. But I think it's cleaner if these are turn signals, in my opinion. But yeah, something exclusive. And also I think, yeah, the North American version, it has the turn signals right here sticking out on the handlebar. In the rest of the world, as far as I'm familiar, these are the turn signals. Yep, as you can see, there's a little blank spots. There's a blank spot inside here. These are the daytime running lights. Okay, that's good. But this is blank. This is where the turn signal used to be. But here in the US, it's different. And moving on, my favorite scooter of all time. I want one so bad, especially the Philippines, or here in the US too. Almost toppled myself over. This is the GTS 300. No words to say anymore. I love this bike. I did a bike test, but I haven't uploaded it yet. But this is the bike I would love to at least taste test this bike, at least. If it's a more thorough test, perfect. But I just love this bike. As you can see, it has a digi analog gauge cluster right here. Some extra cabins right there. I think this is a charity spec too, just like the Bieber spec over there. And good thing is, just like the rest of the world market, the turn signal is not sticking out on the handlebars. It's integrated right here. As you can see, there's a difference right there. Okay. And also, true to the rest of the world spec, it's still integrated right on the body, unlike that one over there. It's sticking out right by the mud flap area, but this one is true to global spec, which is nice. So, and moving forward, this is one of the bikes I want to test so bad. Just even a taste test, I'll be happy. This is the new Touareg 660. So this engine is basically based on the Aprilia 660 series, the RS 660 and the Tuono 660. And this is one of the most hyped up middle displacement, middleweight adventure bikes, simply because it squarely competes with the Tenere 700. The profile looks like a Tenere 700, yet this has more convenience features than the 700. As you can see, it has cruise control right here, a TFT gauge, and then you got different lights options right here, and I think this is your starter button. I really need to test this bike one day. I might not be able to test it here in the US, maybe if I go back to the Philippines. I have a friend who works at Aprilia. Maybe he can let me test ride it. And next up is its cousin, RS 660. Everyone likes this bike because it punches its weight above at some degree, because it goes against the established sport bikes like the R6, the CBR 600, the ZX6R 636. As you guys might know, I'm not really digged into sport bikes, but I'm curious to ride this bike at least the Tuono version. I'm more of a naked bike type guy, but I won't mind to ride this, just even for a taste test at least, so I can get my initial feeling of it. And finally, the biggest boy, the RSV4 1100 factory. I rode this bike. You might catch a review on the double R model that I taste tested in Americade. Hopefully I go back to Americade one day, but that's kind of unlikely at the moment. But besides the point, this is a completely different bike compared to the one that I taste tested years ago. This is much more refined, Much more aero, as you can see. Much more aero. Much more. Well, it's powerful. I'll never forget that I screamed for joy in this bike. This is one of the only sport bikes that I might consider getting if I'm ready to get a 1000 displacement and above, or any leader sport bike. But right now I'm just happy with around the 600s. But this bad boy right here, in fact, some of my friends would love to own this thing. This black color scheme is nice and all, but I like the Aprilia colors right here. I like the Aprilia colors better. But to those people who wants to be like Batman, yeah, there you go. Very nice. So yeah, that's the tour of the Piaggio Group of Americas booth here at AIMExpo. And of course, I would like to ride that bike, but not gonna happen anytime soon. But hopefully. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Peace out.